Do you ever wonder what happens to your personal information after clicking that "I agree" button? This is a question that's becoming increasingly relevant in our interconnected world. The truth is, in the vast expanse of cyberspace, safeguarding your data privacy isn't as simple as it might seem. Consider the terms and conditions of social media platforms. For example, when you sign up for a Twitter account, you grant them the right to use, copy, reproduce, process, adapt, modify, publish, transmit, display, and distribute your tweets. This might sound like a mouthful, but it essentially means that anything you post could potentially be used by Twitter in many ways, with or without your direct knowledge. Or let's take Instagram's terms of service, which state that they can collect information about the websites you visit and the ads you see. This means that Instagram can monitor your online behavior outside its own app. And then there's Facebook. By agreeing to their terms, you allow them to access and store information about your location from your smartphone. This can reveal more about your habits and lifestyle than you might realize. These examples beg the question, is this a fair trade-off for using these platforms? But it's not all doom and gloom. There are laws in place to protect our data privacy. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is one such law. It's a European Union law that aims to give control back to individuals over their personal data. For instance, it requires companies to obtain explicit consent before processing your data. In the United States, the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, offers similar protections. It gives California residents the right to know what personal information is collected, used, shared, or sold, both as to the categories and specific pieces of personal information. These regulations are a step in the right direction, but they can only do so much. The onus remains on us, the users, to be aware of what we're agreeing to when using these platforms. To summarize, data privacy in the realm of social media is a complex issue. Social media platforms' terms and conditions often grant them extensive rights to our personal information. However, laws like the GDPR and CCPA are in place to offer some level of protection. Remember, in the digital world, your personal information is a valuable commodity. So next time you're about to click "I agree," take a moment to think about what you're really signing up for. Your privacy might depend on it.